Hello, friends! In this video, we're going to look at a very simple but super useful C program, a program that finds the sum of the first n natural numbers. So if you type 5, it will add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and give you the answer. Let me walk you through this code line by line, and I promise by the end, you'll understand exactly how it works. All right, let's start from the top. On line 1, we have #include studio.h. Now, what does this mean? Think of it like this. stdio.h is a toolbox, and we're telling our program, hey, bring in this toolbox because we need tools from it. This toolbox gives us the ability to show things on the screen and take input from the user. Without this line, our program won't know how to talk to us. Now look at line 3. We have int main. This is the main function, basically the starting point of every C program. When you run the program, this is where everything begins. Whatever is inside those curly braces is what the program will actually do. Let me show you line 4. Here we're creating 3 variables, n, I, and sum. A variable is just a small box in the computer's memory where we store a number. N is the number the user will enter. I starts at 1, and it's going to help us count. And sum starts at 0. This is where we'll keep adding numbers to get our final total. Pretty simple, right? Now look at lines 6 and 7. The printf line displays a message on the screen asking the user to enter a number. And the scanf line, this one takes that number from the keyboard and stores it inside our variable n. So if the user types 5, now n holds the value 5. Now comes the interesting part, the while loop on line 9. A loop just means doing something again and again until a condition is met. Here we're saying as long as I is less than or equal to n, keep running this block of code. So if n is 5, this loop will run 5 times. Inside the loop, look at line 10. Sum plus equals I means we're adding the current value of I to sum. It's a shortcut for writing sum equals sum plus I. So in the first round, sum becomes 0 plus 1, which is 1. Next round, 1 plus 2, which is 3. Then 3 plus 3, which is 6, and so on.
Line 11 has I++. This simply increases I by 1 each time. So I goes from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, step by step. Without this line, the loop would run forever, which we definitely don't want. Now look at line 14. Once the loop finishes, we use printf again to display the final result. The %d is just a placeholder that gets replaced with the actual value of sum, and the n at the end just moves to a new line, keeping things neat. And finally, line 16, return 0. This is how the program tells the computer, hey, I'm done, and everything went smoothly. It's like signing off at the end. So to quickly recap, we asked the user for a number, we used a loop to add numbers from 1 up to that number, and then we printed the total. That's the whole logic behind finding the sum of the first n natural numbers in C. And that's it, friends. I hope this made sense, and you now feel confident writing this program on your own. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Webronaq for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.